Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody just emailed me a pretty good question and a problem, and the only way I know about it is because it happened to me a while back. So if I want to edit this text or a bunch of text, I go up here to my text editor and there's nothing there. It was really irritating. But if you go right here to, for some reason, take off show font, and there it is, and then you can edit it and do whatever you want to with it. So let's type out another um, and let's make that a little bigger. And let's say you misspelled it or you want to check something, but if you go right here and see now it's showing up. And so that was what the problem was. And I like text editor because you could are having a good day. And you can do all that without, but see it edited it. So I don't know why or what you did or what I did the day I did it, but I had this. It's to me, it's the opposite because I had show font checked and it's not showing. But if you go to option and turn that off, it'll show you the font. And you can do a lot with this and make it bold. If you have two lines, you can make it center. You can do all this. When I lost mine, I just quit using it for a while till I figured it out. I mean, you could do the same thing just with your text tool by doing all that and centering your text and everything you want to do. But I do like having the text editor. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching and helped them out.